good music player application here, and I'll pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro. So enjoy the full video, stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout, and once you have opened the application, it will just scan all the music or scan for all the music on your device. It's very that simple. And at the top you can go and search for music if you have any music on your device. And here you have quite a lot of sections. Here you have the artist sections for your music, you have album sections for your music, and that's really pretty much it. And you can also go down here as it relates to the playlist. You can create a playlist by just tapping on create playlist here. You can give it a name. Just gonna enter name here real quick, and here I can just tap on this option here, and I can pretty much add music to the playlist here. So very easy to set up. So, and as well, we'll show you recently listened music in this section here. So this section pretty much improves the sound of the song that you're playing. Once you enable this feature, you can increase it based on these custom setup at the top here, or you can use these settings down here to increase or boost the bass of the song. So very easy music player application, and not a lot of ads as well, like the other application where there's just a bunch of ads. But this one, very good, works offline as well. Once you have it download music to your device, works offline. So if I missed anything at all, do please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.